Talking to friends, sharing videos, pictures, and messing around with filters and lenses is what Snapchat is commonly known for. But there is more to that. Small businesses, individuals are able to make money and also build reputable brands and recognition on Snapchat. So let's just imagine you're part of the above mentioned beneficiaries or users, and then suddenly wake up to find out that your Snapchat account ownership privileges is being confiscated by an unauthorized entity. So in this video I will show you ways to detect and protect your account from such attacks. But before that, in the first few seconds of the video, I'll give a quick tutorial on both technical and practical steps taken to perform the attack. First, we will launch this tool for the attack. Type 13 to select Snapchat. This URL will be sent to the victim through email or direct message on Snapchat. The hacker then convinces the victim with fake legitimate looking message or email, which is most likely to compel the victim to click on the link. So after the victim opens the link prior to the compelling message sent along with it, then he or she will go ahead and type in their login credentials. Immediately after typing their login credentials, it will then redirect them to the original Snapchat page. Why did I say original? Well, let's wait and find out later in the video. So immediately after the target input their login details and hit the sign in button, it's a smiley face for the hacker because the hacker now has access to the victim's login credentials. I guess you know what happens next. The original Snapchat page has this, but the first page the victim saw had that and later was redirected to this. So the bottom line is the hacker sent the victim a fake Snapchat web link just to steal the victim's login credential. Do not click on the link. The least you can do is to hover over the link just to check who the sender is. Some phishing emails are very sophisticated and it will be much better if you visit the website by yourself. The last thing to do is to visit this website, which is another method of detecting fake website URLs. Thank you for watching this video.